Hello and welcome to this year's Digital Embedded World 2021. My name is Dustin with Qbic Technology, and joining me today is Lee.
Hey Dustin, good to see you.
It's good to see you, Lee. Lee here is our project manager for our AI division, and I'm sure many of you at home might have questions for Lee. So in preparation of that, we've made a few questions. I hope you don't mind, Lee.
Yes, please ask.
Great. So let's just start with our first question here. There's many AI platforms. Why does Qbic choose NVIDIA as its series?
That's the most important and the fundamental question we start the AI application. The reason we pick up NVIDIA is NVIDIA provides the most frameworks in the world compared with other AI platforms.
All right, so what NVIDIA AI series does Qbic specifically support?
We focus on the edge AI application for the inference purpose. We have a full range of NVIDIA Jetson series from Xavier HGX, Xavier NX to Nano.
So the Jetson series excels in incredibly fast processes, such as automated optical inspection or AOI.
Yes.
So is there a way that you can demonstrate this?
Well, please check the video in the following. We are going to play. In the video, the scenario is to simulate the component inspection of the resistors through our edge AI computer, QAI300. We really have good results on it.
Wonderful. So can you tell us more about Qbic's customization deliverables?
Sure. We can customize the entire AI computers. We also can deliver independent carryable only or the system without SOA inside. It totally depends on the customer request.
So what role is Qbic playing in all this?
We are the edge AI computer designer and the manufacturer in charge of board level development, firmware coding, and the system design, as well as assembly. We develop all of the hardware, software, mechanical by ourselves.
So if I was a distributor, what benefits could I expect from Qbic?
Qbic is an expert in the edge AI application, not just a pure hardware designer, but also a top-tier consultant in the edge AI application.
That's wonderful. And we just have one more question here. Besides NVIDIA, what other choices are there out there for our customers?
We can cater to most famous AI platforms such as Intel, NXP, Google TPU, Rockchip, and the MediaTek.
Perfect. And that's it for today. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule today, Lee. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Dustin.
AI is one of the most crucial and defining components of everyday technology. It's ubiquitous with innovation and modernization, and can be found in virtually every industry, ranging from healthcare and manufacturing to retail and education. Because AI technology is evolving so quickly, it's not only vital, but necessary that companies looking to integrate their own AI solution go one step further and prepare for the future instead of the present. There are many obstacles, however, that make advanced AI integration exceedingly difficult. If not fed sufficient data and trained properly, an AI's ability to process information and work efficiently can be extremely limited. It takes a very knowledgeable user base to prime an AI to the point where it can quickly and accurately digest information and make split-second decisions. As experts in the field of AI hardware integration, Qbic provides its clients with both ready-made solutions as well as tailored ODM services. Qbic's own QAI300 image processing AI delivers lightning-fast calculations with pinpoint accuracy, allowing applied technologies to be smarter, faster, and more responsive. The QAI300 is built on NVIDIA's own Jetson Xavier NX platform and includes 5 PoE for tasks such as license plate recognition, optical inspection, and video surveillance. Qbic offers additional tailored platforms depending on the client's need and will leverage its vast resources to develop your unique product and guide you through the process by providing consultation, detailed specifications, and technical support. For more information, feel free to message us at sales@qbictechnology.com or visit our website at www.qbictechnology.com. Have a great day.